Bostage, professional fastening since 1896, introduced its first coil nailer over 50 years ago. Today we introduce 5 new brushless, cordless nailers for framing and finish. All powered by Bostage 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries and brushless motors, these nailers will get you right to work without gas cartridges for operation. You can move freely around the job site without compressors or hoses. In fact, they can save you time and money. By switching to these Bostage nailers, frequent gas nailer users could save up to $15 per week in fuel cells and maintenance costs, with pneumatic users saving up to 20 minutes per day wasted on setup and cleanup time. The Finish nailers have many of the features found on our pneumatic nailers, and they are all about the detail, incorporating a narrow nose designed for a clear line of sight and accuracy of nail placement. The legacy continues. The new family of Bostage brushless cordless nailers, from framing to finish, designed for the professional and built to last.
Inspiration can strike anywhere, anytime. Now part of the 20-volt max system, the mouse sander has gone cordless. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver. With a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it can hold a charge up to 18 months, so it's ready when you are. Plus, the detail finger attachment allows you to get into those extra hard-to-reach areas. And with the dust collection feature, you can clean up quickly. Now, the cordless mouse sander can come along wherever the project takes you. The cordless mouse detail sander from Black & Decker, helping to make life a little smoother.
From finish work to inflation, powered through most jobs with the Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor, made in the USA with global materials. It's designed with a 6-gallon tank and an oil-free pump that recovers quickly so you can keep working. A high PSI drives more nails than a traditional 135 max PSI compressor. For added convenience, it's designed with dual couplers, and it starts up easy in cold weather. Plus, its lightweight construction and cord wrap make transportation and storage a breeze. Make big jobs a little easier with this Craftsman 6-gallon air compressor. Craftsman, we build pride.
Hi, I'm Daniel with DeWalt. I'm here to walk you through our new DCE 700 FlexVault pipe threader. We have an innovative clamp that comes with a depth gauge to allow for a quick setup. We'll also be launching our own 1/2 to 2 inch high-speed steel die heads. Moving down the tool, we have a low voltage indicator, so that way if your battery doesn't have enough charge to do the thread, it'll let you know to change the battery before you even begin. Along with it, we have a DeWalt E-clutch, so that way it will disengage the tool in a bind-up situation. Coming with each tool, we'll have a 9 amp hour glass-filled nylon battery that will help protect the battery from the corrosive cutting oils found within this application. Along with it, this tool is Tool Connect tag ready, so that way you can track your tool on the job site. Along with the clamp, we have this innovative die arm to eliminate the need to touch a moving die head as you start your threads.